The mini hydel power project was supposed to start its operation within 15 days at Neerakatte near Uppinangadi. But a flood has destroyed the entire power plant, leaving 6 people dead on Wednesday, August 13th. 3 of the bodies have been recovered from the flooded river. They have been identified as Venu, Doreswamy and Penchaida. All 3 said to have hailed from Andhra Pradesh. The project, owned by Sagar Power Corporation, began operations 4 years ago with an investment of Rs 100 crore. A total of 7 laborers were putting the finishing touches to the power plant. When 2 of the laborers came to know that Netravati river was overflowing, they went to open the gate walls of the dam. But the heavy force of the water broke the gate wall. Venkateswaralu of Andhra Pradesh had a lucky escape, but his companions drowned.
ಏನು ಈ ಸಾಗರ್ ಪವರ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನು ಇದೊಂದು ಇದಿದೆ ಹೆಡೋ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗಿನ ಜಾವದಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಗಂಟೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು 3 ಜನ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದಂಥ 3 ಜನ ಅತಿಯಾದ ನೀರು ಘಾಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಳೆಯಾಗಿ ಅತಿಯಾದ ನೀರು ಇದರಿಂದ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ವಾಟರ್ನ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಷರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬಂದು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 6 ಜನ ಟೋಟಲ್ 6 ಜನ ಕಣ್ಮರೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅರೌಂಡು ಈ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಮಿಷನರೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗೋಗಿದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೇಲಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ತನಿಖೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Most of the low-lying areas in the Bantwal Taluk were submerged in the flood water as the Netravati river crossed its danger mark on Wednesday, August 13th. Sources informed that Netravati river had reached 9.7 meters, which is well beyond safe level of 9 meters on Wednesday afternoon. Meanwhile, Bantwal town was inundated and all arteries of its lifeline were overflowing owing to floods from Netravati river. The other access roads to Jakribettu, Navur, Koramanganagudi were also submerged in the floods. The Taluk administration announced holiday to all the schools and colleges in the city. The floods have also entered the grounds of SVS High School and Hindu crematorium located at Baddakatte and Fish Market in the vicinity. MLA Ramanath Roy and Tahsildar Manjunath visited the flood affected areas in order to survey the areas and assess the losses.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relicious a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties. Exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8, 42214 158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
Sahasralingeshwara Temple of Uppinangadi, famously known as Sangama Kshetra, located near confluence of Netravati and Kumaradhada rivers at Uppinangadi, has witnessed a rare sight now. The rising water from the confluence entered the premises of temple at about 4 am on Wednesday, August 13th, forming unique Sangama. This rare phenomenon, awaited in reverence by the devotees from across the state, has occurred after a gap of 11 years. The temple has been covered in all sides by water, converting it into a virtual isle. The temple, known in local parlance also as Dakshina Kashi and believed to be equivalent in sanctity to Kashi Vishwanath temple, has been considered to be a temple of pilgrimage. Devotees believe that offering libation in respect of their dead forefathers at this temple relieves the dead from all the shackles of earthly bonds and paves way for their liberation from the chain of births and deaths.